Hey everyone, it's Michael Cadet from the Cadet Mortgage team bringing to you another open house conversation. And today we are going to be visiting and walking around with Christie Lewis from eXp Realty. She's going to be showing us 1044 McNear Avenue in Petaluma, California. Can't wait to walk you through this property. This one is a gem. Price to sell at $1,075,000. It's going to be a property that's probably not going to last on the market for too much longer, but I wanted to bring this one to you so you can take a look and see what is possible out here in the market and what it's going to take in order for you to get into a property like this. But nonetheless, let's go ahead and visit Christie and check out 1044 McNear Avenue. See you there. And what's up, Christie?
What's up? It's your homegirl here.
Hey, well, I'm doing good. I'm doing good.
I'm so glad you're here.
I'm happy to be here. I'm so honored to be here today. And so where are we today?
Today we're at 1044 McNear Avenue in Petaluma, California.
Awesome.
This is a remodeled home that was built in 1973. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and it's absolutely charming.
Awesome.
Let me show you around.
Yeah.
This is your upstairs living area. There's another living area downstairs that I'll show you afterwards. But this is nice. You have some nice views of the nice trees, and these are tree-lined streets actually. And the neighbors all have beautiful homes to look at from your view.
All right.
You can hear them out there doing their landscaping.
Got to keep the neighborhood looking nice. Nice.
And then here's your remodeled kitchen with its very own wine fridge.
I saw that. That is awesome. Let's get around.
Isn't
over
that
here.
nice? I saw it in the
Beautiful.
pictures and I thought it was the dishwasher, and I was like, that's kind of a small dishwasher. And it also has a gas stove, which you don't find in new homes anymore. And people love those. They're very desired. So that's another bonus of this beautiful home. And all the bedrooms are upstairs. This is the first full bath. You can have a nice rain shower in there. This is all remodeled too. Everything's brand new. Bedroom number 1, they're using it as an office space.
Right.
Bedroom number 2, they're pretty good sized.
Nice staging here too.
Yeah, I love
As well.
the closet doors too.
Oh, look at those. Those are nice.
Yeah, these are real nice. Very modern. And then the master.
How big is this home?
It is 1,500 square feet,
All right.
roughly.
So carrying the theme with the closet doors
Yep.
over there. I like these closet doors.
And they all have, each room has its own ceiling fan. And then you'll have to come in here and see this bathroom. It's beautiful.
All right. Very nice. Ooh.
NorCal Home Builders renovated this home, and Alyssa McCluskey is the listing agent.
Shout out to NorCal Builders.
Yes, they do a great job. I love showing their homes. And then in the downstairs, you have your second living area. Big windows, a lot of natural light. Would be the quiet room, I guess, or the one you're not allowed to sit in.
Right.
Oh, and we have a guest coming in.
So tell me, what do you love most about this house?
I love where it's located. This is actually a historical part of Petaluma, and the street actually, McNear Avenue, is named after the McNear family, who were prominent developers back in the 70s. So it's a little history on the house. And I love the architecture of the home and that it's just different. I'm not a cookie cutter house type of gal, and this is just different.
So Christie, tell me, what type of buyer do you think this home would be perfect for?
I think this home would be perfect for families that work remotely, that like the urban neighborhoods close to local restaurants, downtown. They like to walk, hike, visit with neighbors. It's a very small community here.
So Christie, if someone liked this home, if they absolutely fell in love with this home, what would be the next step?
The next step would be to call your homegirl, Christie Lewis, and Michael Cadet, so that we can get you all prepared financially and write that offer.
And that's it. Easy as that. You just give Christie a call, and I'll leave all her contact info in the description. And that's the first step to get this thing started.
Let's go.